Hi friends, this is Raghav from Gautam Brothers, the Unschoolers, and today I am going to show you a model of a railway station I built by myself. So, let's begin. This train station is not completely Lego. Most of it is Lego, but this engine is different. This is not a Lego engine. I don't have the right pieces for a Lego engine, so I just use this one. It's the perfect size. So now let's begin. First, let's start at the very entrance of the station. Way back here. Let me see if I can fit my camera in here. Yeah, here it is. So there are two things main here. One is this ticket counter. So here is the guy who's taking the ticket. Now I'll just lift up this roof. Here I have the roof. And this is the guy inside who's giving the red colored ticket. And that guy has change. Let me show you a bit more detail. Yeah. I'm not sure if you can, but I can clearly see the number 100 written in the bottom. Here, this is an engineer fixing some electronics. Then we have two barricades to keep both the platforms same distance away from each other. The train gates are open here. So let me show you a bit of the inside of the train. These come right off. And when you look at this shape carefully, you can easily notice that this is impossible with Lego bricks. So there's a guy sitting in there. Hi, Mr. Police Officer. Now I'll put the roof back. I don't want to be breaking the train. Now let's take the other one out. There's no one here, but there is an engineer getting out. And a guy sitting there. So thank you for watching, friends. Hope you liked the video. Bye.